Hi everyone!
Welcome back to our Mosan
or
Ngobrol Santai Podcast.
Okay, I'm Miss India.
I'm Mr. Adit.
Okay, Mr. Adit, how are you today?
I'm fine, Miss India. How about you, Miss India?
Of course, I'm great. Mr. Adit, you look so handsome and
Thank you, Miss
elegant
India.
with your outfit today.
Yeah, you also look good with your outfit
Okay,
today.
thank you.
I use this outfit because I have some reason.
Okay,
Reason
can you
is-
tell us what are the reasons?
Do you want to know? The reason is because today we are celebrating our National Teachers Day.
Wow,
Yeah.
I see. Okay, everyone. As Mr. Adit said, today we're celebrating National Teachers Day. So, Mr. Adit, let's talk a bit about Teachers Day.
Yeah, it's related to our profession.
Yeah, that's right. All right, Mr. I have some questions for you. Yeah. The first one. How long have you been a teacher?
I've been a teacher since 2014.
2014.
Yes.
So it's around 7 years. Yeah. Okay, 7 years.
Yeah. How about Miss India?
Okay, I started teaching in 2019.
2019. So
Yeah.
it's
So it's around
almost 2
2 years.
Yeah,
2 years. Okay, Mr. Adi, you've been teaching around 7 years.
7 years.
So my question, how does it feel being a teacher?
Okay. Being a teacher is very great. Why? Because I think to be a teacher is a grace
Yeah.
for me. Yeah. So not everyone can be a teacher.
Yeah.
So I said that to be a teacher is a grace,
Yeah.
and I feel great to be a teacher.
Okay. I can see that you are really into it to be a teacher, Mr.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr.
Okay.
Can you tell us why you choose to be a teacher? Was it your childhood dreams or yeah, can you tell us how did you become a teacher?
I have a long story.
Yeah. Can you tell us
Yeah.
the story?
In short, so I come from a family teacher. My grandfather was a teacher. My father was a teacher. My mother is a teacher, and my sister also a teacher.
Wow, do you have school at home? Because
No.
all of you are teachers.
No, I don't have school in my home, but I have a dream. One day, if I get a chance, I will make a school.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. So to start it, that's why I have. That's why I'll be a teacher. To start the step to build the school.
Yeah, I see. Wow, what a great story, Mister.
Thank you, Miss India. And how about Miss India? You
Okay.
also a teacher, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm a
Why did
teacher.
you become a teacher?
Okay, why? The first one is why I choose to be a teacher. Yeah.
A teacher.
I choose to be a teacher because being a teacher was my childhood dreams. Jadi dulu saya bercita-cita menjadi guru juga, Mister.
Wes.
Yeah, when I was in elementary school, me and my friends played a role, games, role play, and I choose to be a teacher.
Oh, I see. Guru-guruan.
Ya, guru-guruan biasa Mister anak SD
Yeah.
ya. And I chose to be a teacher, and my friends became my students. Yeah, and then I chose to be an English teacher at that time. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then time passed by, and then when I was in junior high school, I liked English lesson because my favorite teacher was an English teacher also. And the same case in senior high school. Yeah, I like English, and then my favorite teacher also was an English teacher.
Sure.
Yeah, so I decided to study English at Yogyakarta.
Yeah, and now you are becoming
Yeah, so
teacher.
now I am an English teacher here, everyone. Okay.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, Mister. Before I said that I have my favorite teachers.
Teachers.
Yeah. So, do you have your favorite teacher?
Yeah, I have my favorite teacher. When I was in elementary school, my favorite teacher is Mr. Wisnu
Mr.
Subagio.
Wisnu, hi.
Not Mr. Wisnu.
Oh, not Mr. Wisnu
In
here.
our school, no.
Okay.
Mr. Wisnu Subagio and Mr. Joko Riyadi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What lesson did they teach?
Mr. Wisnu taught me social studies, and Mr. Joko taught me science and PE.
Science
Social-
and PE lesson.
Yeah.
Okay. And then?
And why I like to these two teacher, because on every lesson on social studies and science, I never get below 8, so it's always 8 above.
So you like them because you always got good score.
Yeah, and
Okay.
I also like PE. When I was in elementary school, I like playing kasti, badminton, football, and we are together taught by Mr. Joko.
Okay, I see. So I think everyone here have their own favorite teacher.
Yes.
Who is your favorite teacher? Okay.
Me, no.
Cynthia, oh no. Okay, Mister. Because you've been a teacher around 7 years again, ya, lagi ya, Mister ya. What are the bad and the great experience being a teacher?
Okay, I will tell you.
Jadi pengalaman buruk dan menyenangkan
Menyenangkan.
selanjutnya.
First one for the happy experience, ya.
Yeah, great experience.
Okay. So when I was in Salatiga, in my first school, when I was to be a teacher, I used to teach grade 1, grade 1, and half of them they cannot read and write.
Oh,
Jadi anak-anak kelas 1 itu kan setengahnya masih nggak bisa nulis dan membaca waktu itu.
ya, ya.
Nah, itu jadi tantangan terbesar saya.
Challenge.
Yeah, it's my biggest challenge to teach them. At the end of the semester 1, they still cannot read and write. Jadi
Okay.
di akhir semester 1 itu anak-anak itu masih belum semuanya bisa menulis dan membaca. But
Okay.
then in early of semester 2, some of them already can read. They are start to write, even not really clear to read, and their handwriting is not really good
Good,
enough.
yeah.
But in the end of the semester, they can read and they can write nicely. So it will jadi tadi ya, great experience. Saya
Yeah.
bisa senang dari
So
itu.
you're happy
Yeah.
at that time. Okay.
Itu.
Can you tell us the sad story?
The sad story, when I teach in this school, I meet a very special student.
Okay.
Dulu itu saya mengajar bahasa Inggris kelas 3. Nah, why I said this student is very special, because he's different with the others. When
Yeah.
the others can sit nicely, they are pay attention when I explain the materials. This student, he has his word. Dia punya tingginya sendiri.
Alright, Mister. From the students, how do you treat him?
Yeah, because he likes to run in the classroom. Sometimes he likes to hide under the table. So biasanya saya ini membiarkan dia mungkin selama 5 menit melakukan hal itu.
Jadi dibiarkan saja, Mister.
Kalau sudah, baru saya secara private datang ke dia. So I privately tell them when other students have exercise, I will come to him and I explain again the lesson and slowly ask him to do the exercise. And when the lesson end, yeah, he got the lesson today, he got the material.
Okay, you are so patient to teach him.
Yeah.
Okay, Mister.
Because he is a special.
Yeah, special
Student,
students. Okay. Alright, Mister. What do you think being a good teacher is like? Seperti apa sih menurut Mister Adit ya?
Yeah, being a good teacher, actually we have a great example. Do you know who is the great
No, I don't
great
know.
example? You don't know.
No.
The great example for us to be a teacher is actually Jesus.
Wow.
Yeah, because Jesus
Christ.
yeah, Jesus have a student also. Tuhan Yesus kan punya murid kan,
Iya,
nah,
betul.
pasti dia juga mengajar banyak hal kepada muridnya. Nah, itu bisa jadi teladan kita sebagai seorang guru untuk menjadi guru yang sempurna. Memang itu sulit ya, it's hard to be to have a life like Jesus.
Yeah.
But we can try it. If we fail, we can try it.
So we can try to be like Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Mister. Can you share us tips or trick? Tips aja lah ya, Mister ya.
Tips.
Tips being a good teacher.
Tips being a good teacher. Okay.
Yeah, tips
So
apa aja, Mister?
actually I'm not really have a lot of experience to be a teacher because I still 7 years and I have a lot of friends who can share experience for us
Yeah.
how to be a good teacher. But my tips are we have be a good example or be a good role model
Okay.
for our students, and then we have a thought pemikiran
Yeah.
that every student is special, so we cannot tidak bisa menyamakan semua
Yeah.
siswa karena siswa-siswa kita itu pasti punya karakter masing-masing dan dia akan berbeda satu dengan yang
That's
lain.
right.
Terus yang terakhir, when we teach our student, when we give something to the student, let's we do with love.
Yeah.
That's my tips.
Your
Maybe you can add
Okay.
your tips.
From me ya, I've been teaching around 2 years. Sama seperti Mr. Adit, saya juga belum punya
Iya, kita
pengalaman yang
masih-
banyak ya, Mr. ya.
Sedikit pengalaman.
But can I give 1 or 2 tips? The first one, be wise. Ya.
Be wise.
Be wise. When you are a teacher, make sure you are wise. Yeah, and then the second one, I agree with Mr. Adit. Yeah, when we teach students, yeah, please teach students with love.
With love.
Kita mengajari siswa itu dengan
Kasih,
Kasih, ya.
Setuju banget.
ya. Oke, Mister. Last but not least, ya. What do you think about Teachers' Day?
Teachers' Day, yeah. Because today we are celebrating Teachers' Day.
Yeah.
I think Teachers' Day is about reflection. So we as a teacher, we have already give the best for our student, and for our student, have you do our teacher explanations, nilai-nilai yang diberikan oleh guru itu apakah anak-anak sudah lakukan.
Iya.
Jadi hari guru itu berkaitan dengan refleksi karena semua itu bisa jadi apa ya? Semua kan belajar ya, baik
Iya.
murid belajar,
Kita
guru juga
juga
belajar.
ya,
Jadi
guru juga belajar.
hari guru itu ya refleksi, sudah kita
Reflection.
sama-sama belajar
Iya.
seperti itu. Jadi bukan hanya sekedar perayaan, kan kadang ada ya celebrating Teachers Day, kita lihat banyak mungkin video-video tentang Teachers Day gitu, tapi ya lebih ke refleksinya sih menurut saya.
I agree, Mister. Okay, Mister and everyone here, that was a great story from Mr. Adit.
And Miss Cynthia also.
Okay, thank you, Mister. Alright, everyone, being a teacher is wonderful. So, in this special day, we would like to say Happy National Teachers Day.
Teachers out there, you deserve the best.
Yeah. Okay. Happy National Teachers Day. Bye. See you in the next video.